Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for beginners. First, focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks of the language. This includes variables, data types, and basic operators. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to coding exercises. Start with simple challenges to solidify your understanding. Building small, practical projects will help you apply what you've learned immediately and see tangible results. To accelerate your learning, leverage the wealth of free online resources available. Websites like MDN WebDocs offer comprehensive documentation. Engage with online coding communities. They provide invaluable support and answers to common questions. Consider investing in a well-regarded JavaScript book for a more structured and in-depth understanding of advanced topics. Consistent exposure to different learning styles will reinforce your knowledge. The most effective way to master JavaScript is through hands-on project building. Start with a simple to-do list application to practice DOM manipulation. Next, challenge yourself with a basic calculator, focusing on event handling and arithmetic operations. As you gain confidence, try building a small interactive game, such as rock, paper, scissors. These projects will solidify your understanding and showcase your growing abilities. Learning JavaScript is an ongoing process. Familiarize yourself with browser developer tools. They are essential for debugging your code. Once comfortable with the basics, explore popular frameworks like React or Vue.js to expand your skill set. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of becoming a proficient JavaScript developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.